Okay. All right, so let's get started. So of course, today is the last step of the sprint. Okay, so let's see. I've watched March 19 workshop video, but what did you accomplish? Did you do everything, finish? Chukanta, this is not went well. You have to say, I have finished everything, no roadblock. That's kind of your accomplishment. This went well. Watching something is not went well. Like a
So I have finished watching, but last like 10 parts, getting trouble with that.
Yeah, no, this is not went well at all. I have watched and the 70% done, great. And then in the 30%, you can say I have some issues or action item, I have to still cover the 30% of the March 19 workshop.
Got you. Thank you.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay. I did hands-on on Postman, e-commerce, great. That's exactly the went well, is great. Watched the workshop video based on March 12 and March 19, answered the technical question. I did hands-on. Postman understood. Okay, so she did that's also went well. Completed all my tasks in the sprint. This is Mahbuba Noor. Wow, that's great. All my tasks. What is the definition of all my tasks? So did you complete all the technical test and then everything else? Mahbuba? Mahbuba, can you?
No. I was struggling my task, 6 tasks. I just in the current board, I have completed, and I was struggling the earlier task.
Okay.
So I try by myself, and somewhere I got the solution, and that my previous task, including along with a new task, that's I have completed.
1 second. 1 second. So
one that thing's not working. Whatever. I'm not sure if it's like a round one or something.
go link again. Okay.
See, it says time
One-
February 19th. It must happen.
Can you pause the recording? Okay, so Mamu still it did not answer my question. It should be my technical.
I have when I went to the dashboard, I found
No,
I
just
have
simply,
six tasks.
simply answer. I have my question. Technical question is done.
No. It does not.
So then just write those in the sprint. What went well. Read other people, okay?
Okay.
Read this, so you get the idea. That's how it should be. That's you did exactly. This is okay, but you be more specific.
Okay.
Took notes. So let's look at this. That's the one also. It's done. Henson and Swagger. Okay. You guys need to fix your punctuation. Okay. This is not a good punctuation. So make sure as you are in the browser, make sure you use the Grammarly. Okay. So that's the way it will help you. Okay. So Postman. What happened to Jewel Shah? He didn't write anything, but he just, is it a bug or what? Jewel Shah, did you write anything?
Yes, Shibrubai.
What did you write? I don't see anything.
Yeah, but I say the statement, but I don't
Rewrite
know
again. Rewrite again, please.
Mhm.
Okay, okay. In this sprint, I worked on the Postman, Swagger, and positive negative testing attempted technical question. Okay, good. Attempted technical question. Does it mean you did not answer any technical question? Jewel?
Hello. No, this is Amrita Singh.
This one is Amrita's.
Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, yeah.
Is Jewel Shah.
Oh, sorry.
Hello.
Amrita, yes, go ahead.
Yes, so I attempted and I solved all around 57.
Amrita, your voice again, the issues up and down. The
Can you
week,
hear me?
yeah, week passed by, please fix the fix the headset. So I'm asking attempted technical question. Did you answer any technical questions? Yes or no?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Thank you. That's it. Preparing slide out for show and tell, that's went well. So you guys are working as a team. I saw that. The cupboard, this is a bug probably. Oh, someone is writing. And the cupboard activities, February 26th. Veronica, fix the punctuation. Otherwise, there is everything looks good. I should watch again carefully to improve. Okay, good. I have to do more hands-on on Postman and Git. That is true. Okay. I need to know more about Git and should do more hands-on. I need to improve myself to concentrate more when I am watching. Okay, that's everybody's. The realization is great. I created a bug and informed the developer of the number. The developer said he will fix it. Okay, to improve. What did they improve? It's your improvement here. What is your name? Mahbuba. Is this your?
Yes, is communication is improved. The field is communication. How should I do? Who should I do? The first I texted the product owner. She
No,
said,
okay, it's improved. Improve means your improvement. You.
but in the process, I learned something.
Okay, good. All right. Okay. Okay, got it. Understood. Okay. Okay, need to catch up on last week workshop video. Okay, good. I need to watch last week workshop video again. And technical question, need to learn about FFM, Git focus on the workshop video. Okay. I'm expecting everybody is actually the participation here. Again, the time is going on. Okay. Covered activities. Okay.
I posted it by mistake here too.
Okay, that's fine. No worry.
Mm.
Need to work on March technical. Okay, good. Need to learn about Pappu, are you here? I'll be answering. Need to learn about Postman and Swagger. Why need to learn? It's like over a month, Pappu. From last 26, we started. I need more practice on Postman. Zobia, I will watch March. Okay. Okay, video again. I will prepare myself, show and tell. Okay, should know all the workshop videos should be watched. Okay. We'll work on show and tell. We'll answer technical question. I have to work more hands-on. I need to go. Okay. Okay, let's go see. All right.